Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
If you feel suddenly overwhelmed by suicidal thoughts, pause and breathe deeply for a minute. Remove or secure anything that could cause harm in your surroundings now. Tell one person you trust exactly how you feel and where you are located. If you believe you are in immediate danger, call 988 or 911 for crisis help without delay. Stay in a public or supervised place until someone you trust arrives or emergency responders take over. Write a concise safety plan you can read when thoughts escalate. List 3 people you can call and 1 emergency number like 988 for immediate support. Include 2 coping actions you can do now, such as a 15-minute grounding exercise or a cold shower. Identify safe places where you can go for supervision. Commit to delaying irreversible decisions for 24 to 72 hours and revisit choices after you feel calmer and supported. Reach out for ongoing professional help as soon as possible after a crisis. Call your primary doctor or a mental health provider and request an urgent appointment within days. If you are at acute risk, go to the nearest emergency department or call 911 for immediate stabilization. Discuss therapy options, a medication review, and local support groups to build long-term safety. Maintain regular check-ins with trusted people and update your safety plan as you progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.